Prosecutors say that there are new statements and there is new science that they say ties David Kaplan to a 1988 murder. Prosecutors say for 27 years, David Kaplan has gotten away with murder. On Thursday, he was before a Nashua judge charged with killing roommates Charlene Ranstrom and Brenda Warner in 1988. Kaplan and co-defendant Anthony Barnaby are accused of entering the woman's apartment and stabbing them both to death.
They found the victims very bloodied, stabbed multiple times, and they were bound with strips of towel. Both Brenda Warner was tied at both of the wrists, and Charlene Ranstrom was tied at the wrists as well as the ankles.
Back in 1988, both Kaplan and Barnaby were arrested, but 3 trials failed to convict Barnaby, and the charges against Kaplan were eventually dropped. In 2010, Frank Bourgeois reopened the investigation and used modern DNA testing on old evidence found at the scene.
At the time of the autopsy, they recovered a hair. The analyzation of that hair later that I had submitted showed that that was a hair that belonged to Mr. Kaplan.
Bourgeois testified at Thursday's probable cause hearing that Kaplan's DNA was found on both victims and that Brenda Warner's blood was found on his jacket. Defense lawyers questioned the reliability of samples more than a quarter-century old. But Bourgeois also testified about an interview he had with Barnaby's cousin in 2010, where Richard Barnaby said he had a strange conversation with Kaplan years after the murder.
Richard observed a steak knife sticking out of his backside of his pants belt line. That concerned him, and he asked him what that was for. And that Mr. Kaplan stated, so that's for anybody that crosses me, I can do to them what I did to those 2 women in Nashua.
After today's hearing, the judge found probable cause for Kaplan's case to move forward. Barnaby's case is also moving to Superior Court. Reporting live in the newsroom, I'm Andy Hirschberger, WMUR News 9.